Hey, this is Chris Brown. Just wanted to give a quick demo of my MegaDesk 1.0 program. Before I jump into the program, I wanted to call out one particular aspect of my uh, form, my add quote form, that might be a little bit unique. I discovered that you can use this maximum and minimum value in here to help ensure that what gets entered is within the valid range. And so let's take a quick look at that. So you can see here's my application. I have my required buttons here to do the different functions. The add new quote is the one that we are working on this week. I'll just look at these others real quick. See that it does call the view, and I can cancel from it, and the search, and I can cancel from that. And let's look at the new quote where we did all our work this week. So I can enter a customer name, and I can enter a width. Let's say I want it to be 60 inches by, let's say, 36 inches. And let's have 2 drawers. And I want it to be made out of oak. So you can see that all those values appear to be valid. But what happens if we choose something that's not valid? Let's do 100 inches here. And you can see it highlights it as an error, gives me a little error text here. The number must be between 24 and 96. Same thing over here. If I make this, let's say 70 inches, give me an error and tells me that number must be between 12 and 48. And let's go back over to here and say I want 9 drawers. Number must be between 0 and 7. So it is validating my numbers, which is great. And that is basically how that form's working. I can cancel from there, come back to the main menu, and when I press the exit key, it does exit the application. Wanted to take you into the code real quick and just show you something relative to how I did the validation. So what I did with my numeric controls is I built a single set of methods that would do the validation piece on those, and then pointed all 3 of those numeric controls to this method right here, desk numeric validation. And so that validation code works for all 3 of my numeric controls, which is really cool. So I didn't have to duplicate that code a bunch of times, once for each input. So that was awesome. And then the same thing with the validated event, created a single validated event that works for all 3 of my numeric controls. So that's my application, and thanks for watching.